Okay, welcome back. This next example is an example of a straight mixture problem. As we read this problem, it says a nut store normally sells cashews for $4 per pound and peanuts for $1.50. At the end of the month, though, they discovered that their peanuts had not sold well. So in order to sell 90 pounds of peanuts, the manager decides to mix the 90 pounds with some cashews and sell some new mixture for $3.50 per pound. The hope being that the mixture having the cashews in it will hopefully, and being a little bit cheaper than the normal cashew price by itself, will hopefully get rid of those peanuts. So our question here is, how many pounds of cashews should be mixed with the peanuts to ensure that the profit doesn't change from selling the two separately? So first, a few little notes here. Cashews cost $4 per pound. Peanuts cost $1.50 per pound. And we have 90 pounds of peanuts, and the other thing is that the mixture is going to sell for $3.50 per pound. So being a standard mixture problem, we use our two containers that are going to get put together to make a third thing. And then just like we did with our interest problem, we can kind of go through and label. So it's $4 for the cashews, so I decided to make those the first one. $1.50 for the peanuts. Okay, and then it's $3.50 for the mixture. Okay, now we don't know how many cashews, and in this problem that's really the only thing we don't know. So we can go through and label the cashew bucket with C cashews. Now we know that we need 90 pounds of the peanuts, and then we need to figure out what kind of mixture are we going to have. Well, if we have C pounds of cashews and 90 pounds of peanuts, then altogether we would have C plus 90. And then just like in the interest problem, we can now multiply down based on the setup here. We can now multiply down. And so we go ahead and do just that, because we're going to take the quantity times the price to get the total cost. So C times 4, 90 times 150, C plus 90 times 350. And so doing that gives us the equation 4C plus 90 times 150 equals 350 times C plus 90. And again, just like in the last problem, once we get to the equation, we've really done the work for the problem, and so now it's a matter of solving that equation, which I'll do kind of quickly. 90 times 1.5 will be 135. 3.5 times C plus 90 will be 3.5C plus 315. At this point, we want C on one side, number on the other side, so subtract off the 350C and to get it onto the one side, and then the 135 to get the C by itself. That gets us to 0.5C equals 180, so C equals 90. So we need, hold on, C is not equal to 90. C is equal to 360. Not sure what my mind was just saying there. We need 360 pounds of the cashews. And that should kind of make sense. The price of the cashews is $4. The price of the mixture is much closer to the cashew price than the peanuts, so that we should need much more in the way of cashews. 360 pounds of cashews to get mixed with 90 pounds of peanuts. And that'll do it for us. Okay.